Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. We're excited to have you here with us today as we explore China's 26-story pig skyscraper, the biggest single-building pig farm in the world, with a capacity to slaughter 1.2 million pigs a year. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Located on the southern outskirts of Azhou, a city in central China's Hubei province, is an immense apartment-style building that looms over the main road. However, this towering structure is not intended for office workers or families. Standing at an impressive 26 stories, it holds the title for the largest single-building pig farm in the world, capable of slaughtering 1.2 million pigs annually. This colossal farm serves as China's solution to meet the relentless demand for pork, which is the country's most sought-after source of animal protein. As a testament to this insatiable appetite, the farm commenced operations in early October, welcoming its initial 3,700 sows into the facility. The company responsible for this modern masterpiece is Hubei Zhongxin Kaiwei Modern Farming. The pig farm has two buildings. Behind the operational site, an identical-looking building of equal scale is nearing completion. When fully running, they will provide a combined area of 800,000 square meters of space, with the capacity for 650,000 animals. The 4 billion yuan, $554 million, farm has gas, temperature and ventilation-controlled conditions, with animals fed through more than 30,000 automatic feeding spots at the click of a button in a central control room. High is not only the floor, but also the degree of digital intelligence. How are pigs raised in the building? The staff intelligently and accurately control the temperature, humidity, feeding and watering of each floor in the central control room, and at the same time monitor every corner of the pig house through high-definition cameras. There are dedicated passages for people, pigs, objects, materials, etc., and the environment is neat and clean. Coming here is like walking into a modern factory. In the central control room on the first floor, large and small screens display real-time information on water and power supply, temperature and humidity, feeding and other information on each floor. There is a cross-flow between the floors, and personnel must go through strict disinfection procedures before entering the venue, thereby effectively reducing the risk of disease transmission. Live pigs must pass through the super-large elevator when entering and exiting the building. There are a total of 6 special elevators with a maximum load of 10 tons in the building. After getting off at the pig unloading area, the pigs enter the basement floor of the building through the underground passage. Hundreds of pigs can take the elevator upstairs at the same time, and after arriving at the corresponding floor, the breeder will guide them to check in their own dormitory. Each floor of the building is equipped with an automatic control system. From the 3rd floor to the 26th floor, the pig house, it is different from the dirty and smelly environment of traditional pig raising, and there is no obvious odor. Positioning bars, intelligent environmental control, precision feeding and other equipment can be seen everywhere. Each floor has a space of about 14,000 square meters, and there are also dorms, delivery rooms, and nursery and fattening areas. How much feed the pigs eat, how much water they drink, and the indoor temperature and humidity can all be seen, which is convenient for real-time understanding of their diet and health status. The big data system can record the breeding level and health status of pigs on each floor and analyze, timely adjust and optimize the feed according to the growth stage of pigs. The temperature and humidity control, feeding and water feeding of each floor have been automated, and through precise control, a better growth environment is provided. The common feature of these pig breeding buildings is high production. The 26-story pig breeding building has a maximum stock of about 300,000 pigs, and the annual slaughter volume can reach 600,000 after full production. How many people do they need to support such a large scale? After the pig breeding building is fully put into use, only 10 to 12 staff members on each floor are needed to manage the eating, drinking, and sleeping of more than 10,000 pigs. Compared with traditional farms, The production has been greatly improved. Efficiency, saving labor cost. High-rise pig farming can save land. The basis of a high degree of concentration, it is easy to realize mechanized and intelligent farming, while reducing labor costs.
This model poses challenges to the land use and safety of agricultural breeding, and puts forward higher requirements for the governance of modern agricultural and animal husbandry enterprises. How to operate buildings to raise pigs conveniently and efficiently has also brought many technological innovations and breakthroughs. In order to ensure indoor sanitation, the ground of each floor of this 26-story pig breeding building in Ujjo has a certain angle of inclination, so that after the automatic sprinkler system on the top and the cleaning pipes on the ground come out, the water can flow into the ground along the ground. Sewage discharge system, and finally into the sewage treatment center. If you want to raise pigs, you must pass 2 hurdles to get the land use index and pass the environmental impact assessment, but these 2 hurdles are not easy to pass. While raising pigs in buildings can save a lot of land, the supporting environmental protection facilities are approved, constructed and operated simultaneously with the buildings. Under the same scale, pig raising becomes more land-saving and environmental protection facilities are more convenient, which effectively solves the problem of traditional pain points of pig farming. Raising pigs upstairs is by no means driving pigs upstairs. Moving from bungalows to high-rise buildings, raising pigs in high-rise buildings is by no means as simple as driving pigs upstairs. High-level pig raising is an integration of a series of innovations, such as environmental protection innovation, management innovation, technological innovation. Behind the series of innovations is the use of industrialized thinking to do modern agriculture, which is an innovative measure for the breeding industry to develop towards clustering, refinement and greening. However, how far high-rise pig raising can go has yet to be tested by the market. The high cost is first of all the first hurdle that high-rise pig raising must pass. Raising pigs seems to have a low threshold. Once the pigs are raised intensively, especially the construction of high-rise buildings to build modern breeding workshops, a large amount of capital will be required in the early stage. The company has planned 2 of the same pig breeding buildings, with a designed annual slaughtering pig production of 1.2 million heads and a total investment of 4 billion yuan.
According to industry insiders, the average cost of a pig farm is about 30% higher than that of a traditional flat-floor pig farm. According to reports, the average investment cost per head of a company's building pigs that has been put into operation is about 2,500 yuan. In addition to the need for a large amount of capital investment, the public also has concerns about the disease prevention and control, sanitary conditions and the quality of pork produced by high-rise pig raising, and there are many voices of doubt. According to public information, most pig raising high-rises adopt a cement plus metal, rough room structure, and pigs can move freely in the floors. Some experts also pointed out that how to control the biological security defense line in the case of high-density pig farming is a risk point that needs to be vigilant at all times. In this regard, in order to avoid bringing bacteria and viruses into the pig raising workshop, the pig raising building is managed in closed partitions. The pig house is equipped with an intelligent disinfection system, and employees leave the park once every 2 weeks on vacation. Before re-entering, it is necessary to take a bath and disinfect 3 times. After passing through the drying and disinfection procedures, it enters the pig breeding building, and meals are provided separately by the canteen in the park. After the live pigs go upstairs, will the quality of pork be discounted? There may be some differences in flavor and taste from free-range pigs, but there is no need to worry about the quality. In addition, breeding enterprises can also improve the pig breeding environment through intelligent control systems such as lighting and ventilation. According to the analysis of market institutions, at present, large-scale pig farming accounts for about 20% to 30% of the pig breeding volume. Under the dual stimulus of policies and markets, Large-scale pig farming represented by high-rise pig farming may become the outlet in the future. However, under the wind, can pigs fly? In order to maintain the sustainability of the high-rise breeding model, first of all, we must select the breeding species, produce more litters, breed more, do a good job in environmental controls such as sewage treatment, and grasp the key to the health of pigs. In terms of management, it is also necessary to optimize management to ensure efficient operation while ensuring production safety and improving efficiency and profitability. The initial construction cost of high-rise large-scale pig farms is large, and it is necessary to effectively deal with the pig cycle and plan ahead. The process of raising pigs in high-rise buildings needs to be further standardized. Industry standards should be formulated to guide scientific construction and standardize management. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and attention. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. We look forward to seeing you again soon.